is to you. You've been a leader for some time. You are a leader. You've built communities. Currently, we've got Fox Nation, which is a fiat. It's a fearsome. Apparently, it's a fiat, a community in the crypto space. Not fiat in the other terms, but fiat it's a great community. You know, we have seen it. We have seen the impact of Fox Nation. How did you manage to build such powerful community? How are you doing it? And keeping everyone actually excited, positive, happy, goal driven, looking forward to the future. How are you doing it?
So it's an interesting question. I wish I can take all the credit, but I wish I can take all the credit, but I can't. So for me, this is really a blessing more than anything that I can take credit for. Even how we started Fox Nation, it was always a team effort, right? It was not me saying one day that, you know what, let's create, a movement and call it Fox Nation. It was actually people who believed in what we believed, who stood on what we stood on, who were quite excited to be part of, what we were doing. And that's how Fox Nation was created. I credit a lot of people, my business partner and friend for more than 20 years, Mzianda BD, who's been an amazing engine behind Fox Nation. I credit people like Abo Queen Koza, who were there from the beginning when we started. There's many leaders, Abo Nuntando, and many others, who sort of like helped us to shape this community to be what it is today. And if it wasn't for us, I don't really want to get into this, but if it wasn't for us, maybe being let down by companies and so forth, I think we'll definitely be more than 20,000, people strong right now in terms of the kind of influence we've had on people over the last 5 years. So it's been an incredible journey. But like I said, there is just no way, that I can take credit. It's like, someone once said, we stand on the shoulders of giants. And that's been the people who, believe that we've got the best interest at heart, for everyone. And we have tasted and seen, in action what we are talking about. The fact that we do have, people's best interest at heart. And the last 5 years have really proven that. So yeah, it's been an amazing.
Great stuff, great stuff. Yes, we are live via Temper Crypto TV. We are live this evening. We've got our guest who's got so much information, so much knowledge that he wants to share with us on this platform. Please do us a favor, go all out and invite your friends, share this live broadcast to everyone who wants to hear this information. Sometimes we make your job easy by